you can't drink them too fast because you get that brain freeze. Oh yeah, knock this one out of the park. I think we totally nailed this Ice Capp recipe. There's three things that I like about the gas station near my house. Their gas prices are probably the cheapest in all of Hamilton. Their service attendants are super friendly. And number three, their Ice Capp is phenomenal. I'm gonna try to duplicate this at home. Let me show you how. Hey guys, Charlie here. It's a beautiful day today. Now you guys know that I like my coffee, but a mid-afternoon on a day like today when the sun is shining, this right here, the Ice Capp, is my go-to cold coffee drink. Now you could get one of these from one of those fancy, expensive coffee houses or from a frozen fountain drink machine. But if you don't have access to that, and if you want to make them from home, they're easy to make, they taste great. Guys, check out this recipe. That's it for me, guys. The easy to make at home Ice Capp. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that like button, smash the notification bell for future videos, subscribe if you haven't already, and the Ice Capp. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.